I'm sure you've heard the news. Christmas in Jamaica is an unforgettable experience. Let's explore why. In Jamaica, Christmas isn't just a holiday, it's a vibrant celebration. Picture this: colorful lights, festive music, and a feast that'll make your taste buds dance. First up, the food. Christmas dinner isn't complete without a mouth-watering ham, spiced with pimento, and cooked to perfection. And don't forget the sorrel drink, a refreshing mix of hibiscus, ginger, cloves, and a splash of rum. It's the ultimate island beverage. Now let's talk desserts. Jamaican Christmas pudding is rich and fruity, soaked in rum for weeks. One bite and you're in festive heaven. But it's not just about the food. The Christmas tree lighting in Kingston is a dazzling spectacle, with hundreds of colored bulbs, fireworks, and caroling that fills the air with joy. And of course, the spirit of Christmas shines through in the heartfelt church services, carols, and community gatherings. So, if you love Christmas and crave some island vibes, Jamaica is your perfect holiday destination. Merry Christmas, Jamaican style!